The athletic team is followed by the basketball boys zonal winners. Juniors, seniors, and super senior winners of basketball team follows the athletic team. The basketball girls, juniors, who were the runners-up, seniors, who were the winners, and the super seniors, who won the zonal level. They are followed by the badminton boys, who were the winners under 14 category.
Zonal badminton doubles winners, J. Kamilan of 12H and A. Shrikant of 12D. The football tournament winners, under 17 category, the boys are our winners. Handball girls zonals, under 19 category, the girls are our winners.
Swimming, state is Gokulan of 10A and Madhushree of 9D. And Chachin, who is represented in the state level. Table tennis boys, who won in the singles and doubles. And the under 19-14 girls of the table tennis also. Harshika M of 8C and Afia Inay of Arafat 6C.
Winning means you're willing to go longer, work harder, and give more than anyone else. It's time to honor the winners. May I request the prize committee to take over.
Today, we celebrate the champions who turned their efforts into achievements. Now it's time to honor the winners. May I now request the dignitaries on the dais to come forward to do the honors. May I now request our chief guest, Dr. B. Snehapriya, MBBS, IPS, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Anna Nagar, to do the honors for the winners. The individual championship for the annual sports meet, the following students are the winners. Under sub-junior category for the boys, A.L. Chris Johan of 6C of Chair & House has secured 13 points and he is the individual champion. A.L. Chris Johan of 6C, Chair & House. Under the girls category, D. Janani of 6B, Pandian House with 10 points. D. Janani of 6B, Pandian House has won the individual championship. Under junior category, boys, Chandru P of 8A, Pandian House with 16 points. For the girls, Loka Shri S of 8D, Pandian House with 18 points. Under senior category boys, P. Kaushal Ram of 10B. Under the girls category, S. Sahana of 10A, Chair & House with 16 points. Has won the individual championship. Give her a big round of applause, audience. Under super senior boys, P.S. Monish of 11B, Pallavan House. With 10 points, he has won the individual championship. Jitesh Kannan S of 12H, Cholan House with 10 points. V. Ajit, 12A, Pandian House with 10 points. Under the girls category, Ila Suresh, 12H, chair and house with 20 points. Ila Suresh. And for the sports, KG to 5th category, the winners are Pandian House with 209 points. I request the house master and house mistress of Pandian House to come onto the stage to receive the prizes. The winners are Pandian House and the runners are Cholan House. I request the captain, vice captain and the house master and house mistress to come and receive the trophy. The runners are Cholan House. Captain and the vice captain, come on to the stage. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request our guest of honor, Thiru Riyaz Nabi Mohammed, former Indian hockey captain, Olympian and Arjuna awardee, to do the honors. Under the 6th and 12th category, sub-junior, junior, senior and super senior, the winners are chair and house with 162 points. I request the captain, vice captain and the house master and mistress to come onto the stage to receive the trophy. Give them a big round of applause, audience. And the runners are Cholan House. I request the Cholan House captain, vice captain, house master and mistress to come onto the stage. And the overall winners are Pandian House with 343 points. Give them a big round of applause. And the runners are Chair and House with 340 points. And in the house March 1st, the results have come. Again, the winners are Chair and House. I request the captain, vice captain, house master and mistress to receive the trophy. Best outgoing sports person, boys. V. Ajit of 12A of Pandian House. Give him a big round of applause. He is the best outgoing sports person. Among the girls, Ila Suresh of 12H of Chair and House is the best outgoing sports person. Give her a big round of applause, audience. And the toddlers March 1st results have come. Under UKG, it was the winners were UKG A. The winners are UKG A. I request the class leader, assistant leader, and the class teacher to come on to the stage. And among the first standard, it was first standard B. I request the teacher to come forward. Second standard, the winners are second A section. Prizes will be given later. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanksgiving is the language of gratitude spoken by the heart. With that thought in mind, a very pleasant morning to our esteemed chief guests, distinguished dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great honor and privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on this special occasion of our 42nd Annual Sports Day. This day has been a wonderful celebration of athleticism, teamwork and school spirit. With an inspiring presence and powerful words, we can achieve any goal. Firstly, I would like to deeply thank our chief guest, Dr. B. Sneha Priya, MBBS, IPS, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Ananagar, for taking the time to be with us today. Your inspiring presence and words have truly motivated and encouraged our students. Thank you, ma'am. The way of success is the way of continuous pursuit of knowledge. I am grateful to our guest of honor, Thiru Riyaz Nabi Mohammed, former Indian hockey captain, Olympian and Arjuna awardee, a pioneer in his field, for enlightening us all today. Thank you, sir. True leadership is the art of empowering others to achieve more than they ever thought possible. I would also like to thank Dr. P. Nitishaya Singh, President, SBIOA Educational Trust, and our beloved correspondent for honoring us with his presence. Your guidance and support are truly invaluable to our institution. Thank you, sir. Financial management in education is nurturing resources to cultivate knowledge and opportunity. A sincere thanks to our treasurer, Thiru S. Prakash, not only for being here with us, but also for your crucial role in the smooth operation of our school. Your contributions are deeply appreciated. Thank you, sir. I also extend our thanks to Thiru M. Muralidharan, correspondent, SBIOA International School, Mambakam, for joining us today. Thank you, sir. I extend our heartfelt thanks to Thiru J. Ravi Kumar, correspondent, SBIOA Global School, for being here with us. Thank you, sir. A sincere thanks to Thiru S. Ravi Kumar, Management Committee Member, SBIOA Educational Trust, for his presence. Thank you, sir. A special thanks to our administrators, Thiru V.V. Anand and Thiru D. Ravi Kumar, for their continuous guidance and leadership. Your support is a pillar of strength for us all. Thank you. My sincere gratitude to Tirumati Georgina Prem Kumar, Headmistress, Shapan Academy, for joining us at this grand gathering. Thank you, ma'am. I am truly thankful to our Tirumati Shada Ramamurthy, Principal, SBOA School and Junior College, for permitting us to use the school premises for our annual sports day. Your cooperation has been crucial to the success of our events. Thank you, ma'am. I am truly thankful to Tirumati V. A. Suraja, Principal in Charge, SBOA Global School, for joining us today. Thank you, ma'am. I extend our heartfelt gratitude to Tirumati Asha Robinson, Principal, SBOA Model School, for gracing us with your presence. Thank you, ma'am. I am grateful to the PTA President, Thiru Lakshmi Narayan, and all other members of the association for their moral support and involvement in our institution. Thank you all. I extend our deepest gratitude to our principal, Tirumati Sunila Cherian, for your guidance in making this event a grand success. Thank you, ma'am. I am extremely grateful to our headmistress, Tirumati Rajni Paul, assistant headmistress, Tirumati Nalini Chandra Mohan, KG Superintendent, Tirumati Mala, and all other members and academic supervisors for your help and support in making today's event a success. Thank you all. We also extend our gratitude to all the teachers for their motivation and encouragement. Your dedication to our students' success is commendable. Thank you. A sincere thanks to our wonderful alumni for gracing us with their valuable presence yet again. Thank you to all the parents for your positive involvement and presence today. Your support means a lot to us and greatly contributes to the success of our events. I would like to thank all the non-teaching staff for their hard work and commitment to today's event. A special thank you and congratulations to the winners and participants of all the events. Your spirit of sportsmanship and dedication is truly inspiring. I thank God Almighty for His countless blessings and for ensuring the success of our annual Sports Day. In conclusion, I would like to leave you all with a quote. The measure of who we are is what we do with what we have. Let us carry forward the spirit of sportsmanship, dedication, and perseverance in all our endeavors. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a captivating display of coordination and rhythm as our students from classes 3, 4, and 5 present the Janeiro Moves drill. As these young performers take the field, they will create mesmerizing formations that represent the essence of our theme, connecting bridges. Symbolizing the foundations of our community and the importance of building strong, supportive homes where we all belong. These houses are more than just structures. They are the bridges that connects us as one big family, reminding us that every home, every house is a part of a larger community. making the performance meaningful for the audience.
Thank you, children. That was a wonderful performance. Cheering and showing appreciation of performers involves loud applause or vocal encouragement. However, in certain communities, a more unique and rhythmic method is used, clapping with coconut shells. This practice is not only serves as a form of support, but also adds an extra layer of cultural significance and entertainment to the performance. We now have the cheer up drill. We have 80 girls of standard 6, 7 and 8 cheering up by clapping rhythmically with the coconut shells. Girls of standard 6, 7, 8 cheer up by clapping rhythmically with the coconut shells. It's a gesture of cheering our victorious sportsmen and women of the Olympic 2024. Coconut shells have been used in various traditional and folk performances, particularly in regions where coconuts are abundant. The practice involves taking two halves of a coconut shell and clapping them together to create a sharp, resonant sound. This method is often used during live performances such as dance, music, and theatre, especially in tropic regions.
लड़ती पतंगों में भिड़ती उमंगों में खेलों के मेलों में पल खाती रेलों में गन्नों के मीठे में
Sound of coconut shells clapping is not just about making noise. It's about creating a communal environment where everyone participates in the performance, blurring the lines between the audience and the performers. The performers, hearing the rhythmic clapping, are often energized and encouraged, boosting their confidence and enhancing the overall quality of the performance. That was a wonderful coordination between the beat and the coconut shells. Clapping with coconut shells is a vibrant and engaging way to cheer up performers, adding both rhythm and cultural depth to the event. Whether it's a traditional folk dance, a musical performance, or a theatrical play, this practice turns the act of cheering into an integral part of the performance itself, celebrating both the art and the audience's role in it.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we continue to celebrate the spirit of athleticism and teamwork, we are excited to present to you a unique and energetic demonstration using elastic bands. This performance isn't just about strength, it's about coordination, balance, and creative use of a simple tool to push the limits of physical fitness. Please give a warm welcome to our talented young athletes. Here we have the boys of standard 6, 7, and 8 to demonstrate the band drill. Stretch bands are commonly used in sports and physical training to improve strength, flexibility, and coordination.
Let me say yeah.
The bands add resistance to these movements, making them more challenging and effective. This kind of training builds not only muscle strength but also endurance, teaching the body to generate power against resistance. Bands help in strengthening smaller, stabilizing muscles around the joints, which is crucial for injury prevention. Band-resisted sit-ups or leg raises can enhance core strength, essential for stability. Bands around the ankles make footwork drills more challenging, improving coordination and quickness. Bands can be used for exercises like resistance and to build leg muscles. It strengthens arms, shoulders, and chest. Dynamic stretching improves the range of motion in muscles and joints. Now we are witnessing the boys forming a circle, combining all the techniques, strength, coordination, agility, and teamwork. They will move in harmony, creating a visually stunning display. They symbolizes the unity and strength. The coordination displayed is truly commendable. These exercises require communication and trust, reminding us that sports are as much about teamwork as they are about individual efforts. It was a splendid performance, children. Let's give them a big round of applause.